If you want to add SSL in Bluehost, keep watching because I'm going to walk you through the exact steps in the easiest way possible. SSL is important because it helps secure your website, protects your visitors, and can even help build trust with your audience. So whether you're launching a new site or checking an existing one, this tutorial will show you how to find the SSL settings in Bluehost and make sure your domain is secure. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the main controls for your site, so go ahead and click Websites. After that, find the website or domain you want to secure and click Manage Site. This opens the settings for that specific website, so you can work directly on the right domain without changing the wrong one. Next, look for the Security tab. Security is where Bluehost usually stores options related to SSL, site protection, and other security-related settings. Once you open Security, click on SSL Manager. This is the area you need to check your SSL status and see whether the certificate is already active. Now you should see your domain listed there. Find your domain carefully and look at the status. If everything is working properly, it should say secure. That means SSL is active and your site is protected with HTTPS. If your domain already shows secure, then you're basically done. But if it does not say secure, don't worry just yet because there may be an activation option available. Look around the SSL Manager area for any activate button or similar option. If you see it, click it and wait for Bluehost to begin enabling SSL for your site. Sometimes it can take a little time for the status to update, so give it a moment and refresh if needed. If you still can't see the SSL turning on, or if the options are unclear, the next best step is to contact Bluehost support. To do that, click the question mark icon inside Bluehost. That usually opens the help and support area. From there, choose the chat option and tell the bot that you want to talk to a live agent. Once you're connected to a real support representative, send your query and ask them to help you activate SSL for your domain. They can check your account, confirm the status, and help you get everything set up correctly. This is especially useful if the SSL certificate is not showing up the way it should, or if the activation button is missing. After Bluehost confirms the SSL is active, make sure your site loads securely with HTTPS. That's the final check you want to do, so you know the certificate is working properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to add SSL in Bluehost. Check whether your domain is secure and know exactly what to do if it's not activated yet. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Bluehost and website setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.